can't stop crying. Like my eyes are just constantly watering. Like, do you see that? That is awful. Let's get to cleaning. This is our candy bag. So I guess it's time to go get started. Hello, beautiful people. We're doing a vlog today. My father-in-law just came and got my kiddos. He is taking them to breakfast and then maybe to the park or back to his house to play for a little bit. And I'm gonna try and use my time wisely and get some stuff done. I'm gonna try and film at least 2 videos while he's gone. I'm gonna make egg bites and then I'm gonna show like our Crockpot dinner that we're gonna have tonight for dinner. And I'm so excited for this one. It's gonna be so good. I'm ready for like soup season and the Crockpots. I just love a good Crockpot dinner. So he just left, so I'm gonna go get ready and just kind of give you a little behind the scenes and show you everything that I do while he's gone with my kids. It's really nice outside. All I want to do is just like sit outside, but we got things to do, so let's go. And welcome to my bathroom. We're gonna get ready together. If you hear some weird noises, we have our washing machine running right now. My makeup routine is super basic and it takes me like 5 minutes maybe, so I'm just gonna show you how I do my makeup and like what I'm using. And the order is kind of all over the place, but I do start with curling my eyelashes. And while I'm getting ready, I usually always watch a show, so I'm curious, what are you guys watching right now? Because I don't really have any shows. I'm watching Wednesday right now with my husband, but other than that, I don't have any shows to watch, so let me know what you're watching right now. The mascara I always use is Thrive. I absolutely love this stuff. I've been using this stuff for like a few years now, and I really, really like it. It's the tubing mascara, so like literally you just like wipe it off with water, so love that. And I always get my makeup literally all over the place, and I just clean it up later. Before I clean this off, I let it dry for a few minutes and I do my eyebrows. This is just something from Benefit. It's like a little brow gel. It's super old and probably expired. And like, look at the brush. It looks like, do you see that? That is awful. I need a new brush. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with some heat protectant. Spray my face. Now I'm just gonna clean up my mascara that I got literally all over my face. Then I always use this tinted sunscreen. This is from Color Science, and I've been using this for probably over a year. I really like it. It actually goes on white like that, and then once you mix it in, it kind of like changes to your skin color. And I just like it. I get this stuff from Amazon. I like to see how it's white, and then I'm gonna mix it in. And it's like changing colors. Do you see that? Isn't that cool? It's a sunscreen. It kind of looks like a foundation. I don't wear foundation, so this is like the closest thing I will put on my skin, like a foundation. And just the neck down together. Bring it down to your neck. Get your forehead. Next I do my concealer, and this is from It Cosmetics. It's the Do It All Radiant Concealer. I really like this stuff. It has like a little fluffy brush applicator, and you just twist it. It comes up. I'll put some down here on my chin, a little bit down my nose, my eyes, just any like spots that are like a little extra red or any blemishes, you know. When I'm stressed, I like break out. And I just pat it in with a concealer brush. This is also from It Cosmetics. Just tap it in. I was honestly so excited to vlog. I haven't vlogged in like a little bit, and I'm just kind of like feeling it out. Let me know what you guys think, if you want me to do more like this. Just sit and yap together. Or you can leave me some comments and I'll do like a Q&A for my next one. For my vlog camera, I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3. And I don't know how I feel about this camera. It's okay. I'm not like in love with it. And I also have a G7X from when I did YouTube like way back in the day. But I just realized that one doesn't record in like 4K or whatever, and this one does, I believe. I don't really know a lot about cameras, so. But I was literally going to use the G7X today, and I just could not get the settings right. And I feel like I can never get the settings right on here, but I just like kind of like color correct later. Next, I'm going in with some Hoola bronzer, and I just kind of do a little bit here, do a little bit here. I also do it up here. And then I do some down here. Kind of drag it down. Blend it in. Next is blush, and I use Rare Beauty and Hope. And I use the smallest amount because a little bit goes a long way, like just a tiny bit like that, and then like that, and that's it. Because this stuff goes on heavy. Using my ring finger, and I just kind of pat it in. skin, drag it up a little bit. Like, look how, like, pigmented. The very last step is my setting spray. And this is just from Rare Beauty. Just spray it all over my face. I don't usually wear eyeshadow, but if I do, it's from the Aspen Ovard palette. Oops. Mother and Single Life. This one and that one. But I don't feel like putting it on today. I do straighten my hair a tiny bit. It's pretty straight already, but I like it like pin straight. So I'm just using my flat iron that is from my freshman year of high school. So this bad boy is like 17 years old. And I just go over it once and call it a day. This maybe takes like 3 minutes. And that's it. I am ready for the day. So I guess it's time to go get started. I'm gonna change and then we're gonna go downstairs and get to work. This is what I decided to wear. Just a cozy set from Amazon. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen right now. It doesn't really need that much cleaning, but I'm just gonna put everything away and start doing the egg bite video. I'm gonna meal prep some egg bites, and these are so good. When this video comes out, you definitely need to watch it because it's so good and they're really easy to make. Let's get to cleaning. Gonna need my blender. I'm gonna leave this out. This is super random, but I have the Ninja blender and I really like it, but the stupid lid doesn't stay closed. So whenever I want to use this, I have to hold this down, and it's really not that big of a deal. It's just annoying. If I let go, the blender stops. So that's fun. If you ever see this up there, this is our candy bag, and it's always so full. You gotta hide that a little bit. There we go. Oh, it's better. Eggs. Cheese. Bacon. I think that's it. So I'm gonna film this video and you'll have to go and watch it. I'm gonna go ahead and start on this video and I'll show you when we're done. The egg bites are gonna be so good. I'm making them a little different this time, but I cannot wait to try them. So I got some big boys and some little mini ones. I'm so excited. Alexa, play Top Pop.
The station, Pop Culture Radio, on Amazon Music.
The egg bites are done and they look and smell so good. The little mini ones didn't turn out very good. I don't think I sprayed the pan enough, so hopefully these come out easier than those. But so excited for these. They're so good. Okay, get these puppies out. They're so good. I have to do my finishing shot. My egg bites are done and they are so good. I already had one, but I'm just gonna let them sit and kind of cool before I put them away. I'm gonna finish doing the dishes and then I need to edit my video that's going up today, and then I have to edit 2 videos for like ads, so I'm gonna work on that and I'm just gonna sit my happy butt on the couch. It's 11:50 right now. I'm gonna give myself until 12:30 to just try and power edit and get a lot done. And then I'm gonna start on my Crockpot dinner. It's 1:15 and I told myself I was gonna stop editing at 12:30, but I had a lot to do and I'm still not done. But I gotta use my time wisely because I feel like my kids are gonna be home soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the next video. I'm gonna do a Crockpot dinner. I'm so excited for this one, so we'll just go ahead and start and throw everything in there. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything out. I had to change my clothes because if you know, you know. I like to film multiple videos in one day and make it look like it's all filmed on different days. I don't know why, but that's what I do. I love Crockpot dinners because you just throw everything in and you don't even have to worry about it. So this one will be really quick. So if that video's up, go watch that one too, okay? Go watch it. Okay. I'll leave this. I'm all done with the second video and my eyes are literally on fire. I cut up the spiciest onion ever. I don't know, it was like out to get me and I can't stop crying. Like my eyes were just constantly watering. But we got the soup started and that's gonna cook for like 4 hours. I'm gonna try and clean up super quick and then try and get a quick bite to eat. It is 1:50 and I still haven't had lunch, so let me show you the mess. This is what we're working with. And of course the sink is full of dishes too. I might just do those later. I'm just gonna put everything back because I'm so hungry. I'm gonna do the dishes later, but for the most part, the kitchen is cleaned up. I did just get a text saying they're on their way back, so I'm literally gonna try and find something super quick to eat, and I'm gonna end the video here. Let me know if you guys like this. I really enjoyed just doing little vlogs, so let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching and being here. I love you guys so much. Bye.